In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass confirm and void time issues. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. From the drop-down menu, choose Issues. You should arrive at a list of your current issues. Before you make any changes, make sure you are looking at the correct date or date range. Maybe I want to look at yesterday. I'll use the back arrow. Now you can see I have a lot of time issues on this day. Maybe I want to go ahead and confirm that all of these employees worked on this day. Then I can click this box, and that will select everyone. I could have also individually selected employees by clicking the box next to their name. Now to confirm all of these time entries, click Confirm in the upper left-hand corner of the chart. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to add the time for these selected time entries. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now most of these entries have been confirmed. Notice that the top two were not. That's because these were invalid employee states, and they were not just absent. Maybe those are people who clocked on twice or something like that for that day, and instead of confirming them, I want to void them. So I will select these two employees, and I will choose Void in the upper left-hand corner of the chart. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to void these two entries. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now those first two entries have been voided. That's how you can mass void or confirm time issues. Check out the next video to learn how to add attendance in this time issue section.